Hey guys, it's Brad here, and today I'm going to be showing you how I install my custom permed Lordhair Neo system. So first we're going to need an alcohol spray solution and a pintail comb, then some scissors, and then finally some extender bond, and this is my preferred tape. The reason being is the holes allow the heat to disperse through the tape, which keeps the tape in its structure for longer. Now this is a semi-old system that I am going to wear for the weekend because I'm waiting for a new system to arrive. So firstly, what I'm going to do is just go round the perimeter edge and tape up the system with some extender bond. So the great thing about extender bond is it does come in the strips, so you can use a fairly big strip around the perimeter, and then as you get into the more contoured areas, so mainly the front and the back, the hairline and the bit that dips down behind the crown, you will need to cut this tape into some sort of shape. I do this by trimming off some of those corners. You can see that front tape at the front, I've cut off some of the corners. So next I'm gonna peel off all the tapes. I've had a shower, I'm peeling off all the tapes, I've prepped my scalp. As you can see here, I'm letting my hair grow out because this is my hair back in May. So here I'm letting it grow out. So I haven't trimmed down the area, I'm just installing the system. So I'm going to start by putting a dot, and I normally put this dot a centimetre below where I want the system to go. And this is so when I see the dot, I know I can place the system just above and it should sit perfectly. If you put the dot where you want the system to sit, you're going to kind of go above it, and then when you comb it back, you're like an inch off of the hairline. So I always put the dot slightly below where you want it to go. Now I'm just going to roll the system back, sticking it down onto the edges until I get to the back part, and then with the back part I just gently pull and bring it right down until I feel that connection of the tapes on the scalp. Next I'm just going to take some water spray, and this is just a general water spray. I tend not to use anything that's got leave-in conditioner in it because it can seep down and start loosening the tapes. So this is just natural water, and then I'm combing out the hair with a wide tooth comb. Now I'm taking some alcohol and removing that dot, and this just allows me to, the dot just allows me to know where to put the system. So this is it done. Next I'm going to go for my 7K run. So I have my little coffee, I'm just warming up. So this is actually something called Rampage, which was a 7K race through London, starting at Tower Bridge and finishing at Chelsea. And I have to say the extender bond and the Neo from Lordhair was great, very breathable, very soft. I didn't feel it at all. So this is me running through the streets of London on my Rampage race. So this was 7K. I was sweaty and I was very, very hot at the end, but the system was perfect. It stayed on for the race, but it also stayed on for the week after the race. So this is testament to the Lordhair Neo system for active wearers. And if you want extra security, double that up with the extender bond from Walker's Tape.